Igwe stated that through the Community Choose Your Project initiative, many communities have recorded tremendous development, noting that Umeri community used the first phase to erect an ultramodern civic center, which he said has been serving different purposes for the community, while the second phase was used to build skill acquisition center and the community library. The Umeri traditional ruler, who said that it is on record that the community was the first to complete the first and second phases of the project, stated that they are ready for the third phase, which he said will be used to equip the community library and skill acquisition center for training of youths of the community in different skills for self-reliance.
Our ultra-modern civic center is built at Amawere. If you go there, you will know that it is really an ultra-modern civic center. We now use that place to host all our visitors, do ceremonies, all sorts of ceremonies in that place.
On the 24/30 victory of APGA on the just concluded House of Assembly election in Anambra State, Igwe stated that the good governance entrenched in the state by the APGA government led by Governor Obiano is evident in the victory. On his part, the President General of Okozo in the Council area, Chief Uzodimma Echesi, expressed happiness over the commencement of distribution of the third phase of the 20 million naira Community Choose Your Project initiative of Governor Obiano's administration, saying that the initiative has helped their community in building their health center, and the second phase was used to fence girls' secondary school Ifito-Okozo, which he said was a very big project for the community, adding that stakeholders in the community would deliberate on which project the community will use the third phase to carry out. Chief HSC commended Governor Obiano for bearing the interest of the people at heart and prayed God to bless him the more.
No, this is not the first one. There is another ongoing project at Ifito-Okozo Umunda Road currently going on, handled by Pachu Construction Company. We are very happy. My people are very grateful to the government of Anambra State.
Njireka Okoye, ABS News.